The joy of listening, the joy of hearing the sounds from every instrument flow through my soul. Cooking, the aroma as things start to form, become unified from every aspect of every part of the spices. It brings back memory, the sense, the smell of grandma just stirring in that pot. Mom creating something from scratch. That aroma just brings back that moment of that time. Crafting, the beauty of taking a card, a plain nothing card, and create or transform into a greeting card. Would it be a birthday? Would it be an anniversary? Or some form of occasion? And you create nothing to something, and you present it to the one that you love. What a joy, my friends. What a joy is that alone. It came from you. It came from your heart. All three of these, music, cooking, crafting, it is a universal language. It brings all in harmony into one. Yes, we see things differently. Yes, we visualize things differently. But we understand the arts, we understand music, we understand cooking, and we understand crafting, no matter it be sewing or pottery. Whatever it may be, it is a universal language. And that language, I would love for you to all to partake. Come inside my window, our new website, a whole new lessons of cooking and crafting. Music, no, I don't play. Music, no, I don't sing. I will bring division. But I love to listen to music. And when we're done, we complete a cooking lesson or we complete a crafting session. We can both enjoy listening to music with a glass of wine, and we'll toast together. So come inside my window, enjoy the joy that I would love to give to all, to share, to bring, and allow me to see the joy that you have and you bring inside my window. And we can work together, create things together, and build things together. And that's what's inside my window is all about. So my friends, I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Until then, welcome to Inside My Window. Take care.